Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently September 24th. We took two trades today. This first trade was a break-even trade, as you guys can see right here. And then the second trade was a winning trade. I did not hold until this full TP. I closed my full position right here because, as you guys can see, this is terrible price action. This is all chop. Right after market open, we dumped, we sold off, and then we literally just chopped. And it was like a slow delivery. It wasn't clean. So I wanted to get fully out of this second position, but we got out. We made about $200 on each account. 197 times 8. Let's see how much we made. We made like 1580 total. This first trade was a very nice setup. I know a lot of people took this trade, and the second trade was even a nicer setup. So overall, very good setups, just not a clean delivery. And then eventually we literally just got that dump literally after like this dump happened at like 11:30, like way too late for me. So I'd fully closed at literally like 11:09 inside macro. Did not expect this to just dump after this. I expected honestly this to start going back up, maybe fill this 15-minute and potentially go higher from there, but we just sold off. But let's get into the trade recap. This first trade was a very, very nice setup. After market open, we sold off. We created a 15-minute market structure shift. We were holding this 4-hour fair value gap here. We were bearish on the higher time frame, so I just wanted to see a continuation lower. After that 15-minute fair value gap got created after market open, we never actually took Asia. Actually, we did take Asia lows, but we left previous day lows, right? Oh, no, these weren't previous day. Previous day lows were these lows here, I believe. Let me see. We left previous day lows, so that was literally like the only target. Previous day low was this low right here. So it was right here. So we left previous day low. So I was still bearish just because order flow, time, and overall just market structure. We were just really bearish. So I wanted to see us tap in that 15-minute. We tapped in the 15-minute fair value gap right here, as you guys can see. Right, what this wick is. All I wanted after that was an inversion fair value gap. We got a 1-minute inversion right here. There was also some sort of SMC at these highs. I think it was maybe this high here. There was an SMC in here, inversion fair value gap. Took that entry, literally edged my stop loss by a little tick, came back down. As soon as we broke below here, I went break even very fast because I knew price action was not the best and honestly just wanted to get out of this trade. So I put my stops to break even. As soon as we got this huge displacement lower, I expected this to just continue lower. I don't know why we didn't because price action is terrible. And we just wanted one more rebalance for the second trade. But I went break even right here. Stopped out of break even. Waited for more confirmation. ES came up back and tapped back into that 15-minute fair value gap. We put in a 5-minute SMC at these highs right here. The second trade was a lot cleaner than the first trade. This first trade was very clean, but the second trade, another SMC, sweeping up these highs, and then we had a 2-minute inversion, very clean 2-minute inversion, literally just displaced right through. Nice body closure, took that short entry right here. TP1 was these lows here. That's also where I went break even. And then TP2 was these lows. I could have held to a previous day low, but honestly, I just wanted to get out of that. That was also like 5 extra points. Wouldn't have made much more. But also, I could have held my full position. This is where my full TP was right here at these 4-hour lows right here. And it ran. But I did not expect that to run like that. You can't expect that, especially, like, look at this price action. This was terrible. 9:30 came out, open. This is 9:30's candle right here. Sold off, literally just chop work for hours until we got that flush. But not great price action today. Was able to manage our positions very well, able to capitalize a win on terrible price action, which is very, very nice. We are up $200 on each account. Our accounts are in great spots right now. Let me show you guys the PA charts. So these are all my accounts right now, but all these are plus 200. So this one's at 3,000. I could show you on TradeAvate actually. It'd be a lot easier if this wants to load. This one's up 53,000. This one's at 2,400. This one's at 23,770. This one's at 2,300. This one's at 1,700. 1,700. almost 1,000, and almost 1,000. So all our accounts are in a very good spot. If I could get these top accounts to these top 4 accounts, well, this one's already above 2,600, but if I could get these ones, these 40, 41, and 42 to 2,600, all I need is literally like $300 more. I'm gonna request a payout on Friday, but if I don't get it by Friday, then I'm not gonna request the payout, and I'm just gonna allow these accounts to build a little more. But yeah, our accounts are looking great. Overall, this month has been not the best price action this month, but we've been able to capitalize. We're up $1,000 on each account, 61% win rate. We have a few more days left in the month. 1, 2, 3, 4 more days left in the month. Hopefully we can end the month green still. And that's really all that matters. We're focused on long term. As you guys can see, I hold these accounts for very long, 61 days, 51, 51, 41. Like, we're holding these accounts for very long, but we just need these payouts to start rolling in. And honestly, we just haven't had the best price action. And I feel like we've been doing a pretty good job this month with terrible price action. We have a 61% win rate. We're up 1,052. And yeah, so our accounts are definitely in a great spot. Hopefully soon can request some nice big payouts. My goal is to get all these accounts to like 4,100 so I can request a max payout between all of them, which would be very, very nice. But we're just focused on long term, not focused on the quick profits. And that's really what's going to make me profitable over the long run. Yes, I'm profitable right now, but the big payouts have not came yet because I'm only using 4 micros. I could easily upsize to 1 mini, but I can make more money, but also I could lose a lot more money. So I'm not really focused on that, just focused on taking good trades every day. And today was definitely 2 very nice trades. And first one did not deliver. Stayed patient for the second entry. Beautiful 2-minute inversion. Bam, bam, bam. Eventually ran. I think I would have been stopped at a break even here, even if I held this, because I put my stop loss like literally right here. So yeah, I'd probably be stopped at a break even there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this trade recap. Very nice trades today. That was the second trade this week. We took 1 trade earlier, and it was a break-even trade yesterday I met. So 2 break-even trades, 1 win this week. We're up about $200 this week, so just gotta stay patient tomorrow and Friday, and hopefully we can make that $300 to request that payout by Friday. But if not, it is completely okay as well. But that's going to be it for this trade recap. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade. Make sure you guys use code Zach on Apex, and also join the Discord community. The Discord community banked as well. Wing Wong took the same short. Travis took a different short. Let me see where he took this short. He took this short on the break of structure, I think. Yeah. His trade played out. He made 191 per account. Very nice. J. Cole. It's probably on this is on MES. But yeah, that's going to be it for this trade recap. Make sure you like and subscribe.